today's video, we will be discussing the concept of finance business partnering. Finance business partnering is a relatively new concept that has gained popularity in recent years. It is an approach to finance that is designed to align finance more closely with the business in order to help the organization achieve its strategic objectives. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at what finance business partnering is, the benefits of adopting this approach, and how can it help finance professionals succeed in their roles. So let's dive in. First, let's look at the different definitions of finance business partnering. As per KPMG and SEMA, finance business partnering is interpreting, explaining, and driving performance within an organization. It also involves supporting and influencing key operational and strategic decisions. As per EY, finance business partnering is working with commercial leaders to drive improved performance, also to facilitate transparency of financial information across the organization, and also to ensure business decisions are grounded in sound financial analysis. As per Deloitte, finance business partnering is to support the strategic and tactical priorities of the business by delivering insights and guidance in support of growth and future performance. As per ACCA, finance business partnering is moving from hindsight and oversight to insights and foresight. According to PwC, finance business partnering is moving from reactive to proactive, which is moving from just having basic accounting skills which are mandatory, like becoming a scorekeeper and a commentator, to developing more value adding activities, doing more value adding activities as a finance business partner and caretaker. As per Business Partnering Institute, finance business partnering is insights into influence is equal to impact. So you can create impact, which is better decision making and improve performance, by bringing insights to the table and also having the influence to get those decisions implemented. If you notice, from all of these definitions, there are some common themes. These common themes include sound financial analysis, driving future performance, creating impact and influence, bringing insights and foresights, building relationships, and understanding the business. Finance business partnering is a concept that has emerged in recent years as a response to the changing role of finance within the organization. If you notice, traditionally, the finance function has been seen as a support function that provides data and analysis to the business. However, finance business partnering takes a slightly different approach. It involves finance professionals working alongside business to help them achieve their strategic objectives. As per this approach, the finance team are seen as strategic partners to the business rather than just providing support. They work closely with the business leaders to understand their goals, identify opportunities for growth, and help them make informed decisions that are aligned with the overall business strategy. Now, this approach requires finance professionals to have a deep understanding of business, its goals, and the market in which it operates. Finance business partnering is not just about providing data and analysis, it is about adding value to the business by using all of these insights to drive growth and improve performance. This requires finance professionals to be proactive, collaborative, and strategic in their approach to working with the business. Overall, finance business partnering is about working in partnership with the business to achieve these shared goals. It is a strategic approach that requires finance professionals to be more than just finance experts. They must also be business experts who have a deep understanding of the market, competition, and the opportunities for growth. There are several benefits to adopting the finance business partnering approach within the organization. Firstly, it helps to break down the traditional silos that exist between the finance and the rest of the business. By working closely with the business leaders, finance professionals can gain a better understanding of the business and its goals. This allows them to provide relevant and timely insights that can help the business make better decisions. Secondly, finance business partnering helps to improve the quality of decision making within the business. By working in partnership with the business, finance can provide more insights that are aligned with the overall business strategy. Now, this ensures that the decisions that are made are with full understanding of the financial implications and also the implications on the business. Thirdly, finance business partnering helps to improve the overall performance of the business. By working in partnership with the business, finance professionals can identify opportunities for growth and help the business to take advantages of them. Now, this can lead to several outcomes, including increased revenues, improved performance, and a stronger competitive position. Overall, finance business partnering helps to create a more strategic and collaborative relationship between finance and business. This can lead to improved decision making, more efficient use of resources, and obviously better financial outcomes. Finance professionals should be able to work collaboratively with business leaders to achieve their shared goals. This requires them to build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and work towards a common purpose. In conclusion, finance business partnering is a strategic approach to finance that involves working closely with the business leaders to achieve shared goals. It requires finance professionals to have deep understanding of the business, its goals, and the market in which it operates. By working in partnership with the business, finance can provide insights that are aligned with the overall strategy, improve decision making, and help business achieve its goal. Becoming a successful finance business partner requires a combination of technical finance skills, business acumen, and communication skills. Finance professionals who want to become successful business partners need to focus on developing their business acumen, communication skills, collaborative skills, and strategic skills. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more FP&A related content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.